leaving from the station. Goes choo-choo, what a sensation. Climbing up the highest hill, they're rolling down, what a thrill. Choo-choo, come along, the happy train is moving on. Up, up, down, down, jump around and dance along. There's a monkey in the window, little birds sing soft and sweet. Kids are laughing, playing, singing, all together, what a treat. Choo-choo, come along, the happy train is moving on. Up, up, down, down, jump around and dance along. The train runs fast along the tracks, through the sun, the wind and rain, bringing friends and lots of laughter, spreading joy again and again. Choo-choo, let's have fun, the happy train won't stop for none. Sing out loud and clap along, fill your heart with love.